What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best tire changer machine on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Mayflower Automatic Tire Changer Wheel Balancer. This Mayflower tire changer and wheel balancer combo is a fantastic option for those working with oversized tires. It can handle up to a 44-inch tire and has a maximum weight capacity of 155 pounds, but you can use it with normal streetcar tires as well. The Mayflower name also delivers the product at a highly competitive price most will appreciate, with quality that surpasses expectations. And despite what the low price may suggest, a warranty is part of the deal. The number one issue holding this product back is poor customer service. That might be easy to overlook in most cases, but relatively common quality control issues make it an issue consumers deal with regularly. Processor compatible with large tires, competitive pricing, great quality and performance for the price. Warranty included. Sucks. Quality control issues are somewhat poor customer service. In our list, the number 4 product name is XK Tire Changer Wheel Changers Machine Combo. The XK USA Inc. Tire changer combo is perfect for a small shop without high volume that needs a good machine for changing and balancing tires. It is among the most affordable options, but the quality far surpasses expectations. Its operating capabilities are comparable to costlier units, and it will work with up to a 37-inch tire. Setup is very simple, with minimal assembly required, and the system is equally as easy to use. It's a close runner-up as the pick for best value, but some minor issues keep it from earning that title. The plastic wheel protector tends to break easily, and the air gauge is a common trouble area. Fortunately, customer service is very accommodating, and users report it responds quickly to any issues. You might consider this over the others anyway because of it. Process: easy to set up, easy to use, good quality for the price, competitive pricing. Plastic wheel protector breaks easily. Issues with air gauge are common. In our list, the number 3 product name is Nationwide Tire Changer Wheel Balancer Combo. The Nationwide Tire Changer and Wheel Balancer Combo is a solid option for many shops. It's an easy-to-use setup that works with up to 38-inch tires. The machinery is rather simple, but is equipped to make your life easy with a pressure regulator, water separator, and lubricators to help you get the job done and minimize maintenance. The integrated self-lubricating wheel balancer even has a self-diagnosing system that optimizes efficiency. A competitive price tag also helps the Nationwide combo capture the attention of many. Unfortunately, the low arm does present issues for wider wheels and tires, and this simply won't work for some applications. It's also expensive and simply won't fit into many budgets. Processed: low maintenance, self-diagnosing systems, competitive price, 3 centering cones cover most applications. Expensive. Low arm is a clearance issue for wider wheels. In our list, the number 2 product name is Mayflower Tire Changer Wheel Changers Machine. While affordable isn't a term you'd use to describe a tire changer and wheel balancer combo, in a normal discussion, the Mayflower is the option many will go to when there's little room in the budget. Even as an affordable option, it covers all of the bases. This setup works with tires up to 35 inches in diameter and wheels with widths of up to 12 inches. The quality and performance are also in line with many machines that sit at higher prices, and even the 1-year warranty you'll typically find at a higher price is matched here. Before you make the impulse decision to grab the Mayflower, you should know that it is known to struggle with low-profile wheels and tires. Also, reports indicate that fittings uncommon in the U.S. market are used within the system, and that can be an issue for maintenance. Process: affordable price, works with wide wheels, great quality and performance for the price, warranty included. Sister concept: fittings make maintenance difficult to use with low-profile tires. In our list, the number 1 product name is Cat-Tool 2.0 Tire Changer Wheel Changers Machine Combo. Alloy steel jaw interface carburization treatment of 0.81.1 deepness, hole quenching process, making the jaw inside more tenacity and outside more hard, and take the jaw cover for protect rim. The mounting head is made by stainless, solution treatment and interface polishing. The shape conforms to the engineering principle and take with plastic cover for protect. Inflation gauge with pedal control. With high-quality spade cover, effective prevent damage rim. Hole-type pedal control system, convenience for changing and maintenance. Top-level motor and pure copper winding, fast heat dissipation. Low defect rate and longer using life. With high-quality filter, reliable drop oil, effective filter pressure air and make more longer using life for pneumatic system. For North America region, used 120 VATACA trip, point motor HEHP, point notor PHEHEHE. Closed body for protect inside parts well. The body used 3M thickness steel, high-strength solid welding, few vibration. All-in-one pressure sensor support design, bottom board thickness 8 mm, sideboard thickness 8 mm, that ensure the sensor working stable and high precision. Top-level motor and pure copper winding, more power, fast heat dissipation, low defect rate, and longer using life. The 36 ml shaft thread is by quenching treatment, high strength, top-level motor and pure copper winding, fast heat dissipation, low defect rate and longer using life. The computer board adopted advanced welding technology, moisture-proof, dust-proof and anti-static electricity, more longer life. Various balance mode, according different rim for different balance mode, make the balance effect more precision. Built-in fault diagnosis and self-calibration program that double-side calibration, no memory, parameters, operation more easy. Unit selectional cram, METEC. High-quality integration power board, working stable and reliable. Wheel guard for optional. Longer shaft for more width wheels.